Imagine having the freedom to live, work, learn, and play anywhere. Now more than ever, a record number of Americans are hitting the road to see the beauty of our country firsthand, without giving up the comforts of home. According to recent industry statistics, recreational vehicle sales have grown steadily over the past decade and have revved up to record proportions.
Some of the major benefits of the RV lifestyle is that you get to go out with your family. You get to experience the outdoors with bringing some of the comforts from home with you if you so choose. They can bring work. If you're homeschooling, you can do personalized homeschool field trips to places like Mount Rushmore. Instead of just seeing it in a book, they can go visit it in their RV and learn with their family as they go.
Family owned and operated since 1965, Windish RV is Colorado's #1 towable dealer and the choice for travel trailers, fifth wheels, and toy haulers in the Centennial State.
At a time when big corporations and investment firms have begun to dominate the RV space, Windish RV has remained Colorado's #1 towable dealership and one of the largest family-owned and operated dealers in the country. Windish started as one location with just 40 employees here at our Lakewood site. Since then, we've grown to 3 locations in Colorado, expanding up north to Longmont and down south to Fountain. As a company that's built by families for families, we really feel like we're equipped to sell family adventure.
My grandfather started a car business, Windish Motors, in the early 1940s. My father joined him after World War II, but it was always centered around family. And in small towns, you put your name on your business, and man, you live by that. All of us kids sort of wandered in and out. I had to answer phones on Saturday to get an allowance. My brother had to work on the detail rack. It was pretty much throw everybody in. So we had to move to a bigger location. So we found this location out here. Dad liked it. The time came when we eventually realigned the dealership more towards RVs than cars. So we got out of the car part, stayed with the RVs, and they just took off. Car purchases are a necessity. It's something you have to buy to be able to get around. RVs are strictly a fun purchase. You do it because you're already thinking about all the great experiences you're going to have in it.
Now, more than ever before, we've really seen interest in RVing expand across all different travelers and age groups. We see couples who hit retirement and want to take all of the comforts of home with them while they travel the country. We see young adults who maybe choose a more adventure-focused RV so they can choose that weekend warrior lifestyle. And then, of course, we see young families who want to find a safe and cost-effective way to vacation together. Some people are really looking to escape and disconnect, get off the grid, and really unplug. And an RV really allows you to do that because you can go anywhere. We also see people who want to stay connected while they're on the road. And now more than ever, campgrounds have become more wired, so you have the ability to stream content, check email, or do whatever you need to.
In addition to delivering a large RV selection, competitive pricing, and excellent customer service, Windish RV also offers a full staff of factory-trained technicians, providing best-in-class service. Through its commitment, experience, and expertise, Windish RV establishes relationships with its customers that last a lifetime.
My favorite part about having an RV is it's a reason to get the family together and go spend time away from home and away from the crowds in the city. Honestly, some of the other places I went and looked at campers, couldn't even get anybody to talk to you. Landed here and met Corey, and the rest is history. Bought 4 RVs from Corey, been here ever since. And the thing I like about that is it's nice to be able to come somewhere and see the same faces and tell them what I want. No pressure, newest product, features and benefits. Told me why this would be the right rig for me, and he was right.
I think our employees really feel like they're part of something here, and that comes across to our customers on both the sales and our service side. There's a shortage of certified master technicians. We're always on the lookout for top talent, but we also grow our techs internally through our Tech Apprentice program. We take technicians who maybe they have some basic skills coming in, some carpentry, some electrician skills, and we help grow them into a full certified master technician. They shadow one of our technicians on site. We do a lot of factory training or other programs to help them really develop the skills that they need to be successful. At Windish RV, we want to make every customer a lifelong RVer. Through our knowledgeable sales staff and our best-in-class service, our customers really become part of our family. We're so proud that we've had the opportunity to sell Family Adventure over the last 50 years and now have this great opportunity to continue to do that for the next generation.
At the end of the day, if you want to travel across the country, if you want to schedule your own adventures, RVing is the best way to do that.
For more information, go to windishrv.com